Now let us mark the pleura, surface marking of pleura, and along with that you can mark the lung also. How? Look at this person, and you have to remember this 6, 8, 10, 12. What is 6, 8, 10, 12? Right pleura marking. So you are marking the right pleura first? Yes. Okay, then mark the right pleura. What is this 6, 8, 10, 12? Actually, you have to understand 6, 8, 10, 12 is the inferior diaphragmatic border of the lung. So 6, 8, 10, 12, inferior diaphragmatic border of the right lung. Yes, right lung here. You will see that at the 6th rib, the pleura was in the mid-sternal line. 6th rib, it was mid-sternal line, and 8th rib, it will come to the mid-clavicular line, and the 10th rib, it will come to the mid-axillary line, and 12th rib, it is para-vertebral line. It is coming from 6th rib to 12th rib. And where is it 6th rib? 6th rib when it was in the mid-sternal line. And where is the 12th rib? When it is posteriorly, which is para-vertebral line. So what have you marked here? What I have marked is actually inferior diaphragmatic surface of the pleura. So inferior diaphragmatic surface of the pleura. 6, 8, 10, 12? Yes. We begin 6 anteriorly and reach 12 posteriorly. Yes, right pleura. Then what about the left pleura? Doesn't matter. Right, left pleura are same now. Oh, means maybe it is right pleura, left pleura, it is same marking like left pleura also. It is the 6th rib mid-sternal, then 8th rib mid-clavicular, and 10th rib in the mid-axillary, and 12th rib para-vertebral. Yeah, right, left pleura, same marking. But not for the lungs. Lungs, this is different. So, can we discuss the lungs then? Yes, let us discuss the lungs. You see, lungs and pleura on the right side begin at the same level. So, you are telling that maybe it is lung or pleura. They are beginning at the 6th rib. Yes, maybe lung or pleura on the right side. They begin at the same rib, mid-sternal line, 6th rib. And after that you will see the right lung is 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher, and 2 rib higher to pleura. But why the lung is 2 rib higher to the pleura? Because the lung requires expansion in the pleural space, expansion in the pleural space, expansion in the pleural space. So it is some pleural space which is empty of lung. Yes, lung is staying 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher. You mean to say, if I mark it, then right lung in the mid-sternal line is 6th rib. Yes. And even in the mid-sternal line, mid-clavicular line, it is 6th rib again. Yes, because it is 2 rib higher to pleura. So it is mid-axillary line. Now it is 8th rib. Yes, 2 rib higher to pleura. And then in the paravertebral line, it is 10th rib, 2 rib higher to pleura. Yes. Instead of doing all that, just simply remember that lung and pleura are at the same level in the mid-sternal line, 6th rib. After that, the lung remains 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher. Just remember for pleura, and for lung you can derive -2, -2, -2 like that. But mid-sternal line, it was same. So let us look at the front view of the pleura and lungs now, and then compare the right lung with the left lung, because lung marking for left side is different. That's what we want to see. So what about the right lung and pleura? Right lung or right pleura begin at the level of 6th rib in the mid-sternal line. And after that the right lung remains 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher, 2 rib higher. Can you give me the marking of the right lung inferior border then? Of course, I'll give you. For the pleura, it was 6, 8, 10, 12. And for the lung, right lung, I'll tell you, it is 6th rib, but after that it is -2, -2, -2. You mean to say now it will become 6, 8 and 10? Yes, that is the point. Remember the marking for pleura and derive the marking for lung. Don't try to memorize both of them. So you are telling that this is right lung inferior border. Yes, tell me what is the mid-sternal line? 6th rib, mid-clavicular, again 6th rib, and mid-axillary, 8th rib, paravertebral, 10th rib. What about the left lung? Right lung, left lung, inferior border are almost similar with one difference only, and that is shown here. So you're telling that right lung, left lung have same diaphragmatic margin except one thing which is shown here. What is that? See, right lung is leaving the sternum at 6th rib and left lung is leaving the sternum at 4th rib. But why the left lung is leaving at 4th rib? Because it has a cardiac notch. And why it has a cardiac notch, left lung? Because to accommodate the heart here, heart is encroaching towards the left lung. So because the heart is encroaching toward the left lung has a cardiac notch to accommodate the heart? Yes. Oh, that is why the left lung will leave the sternum at the 4th rib. Yeah, that is why. The right lung leave the sternum at 6th rib, but left lung leave at the 4th rib due to that cardiac notch. So, can we mark the left lung now? Yeah, mid-sternal line, 4th rib. It will leave the sternum. And what is mid-clavicular? Just like the right lung, 6th rib. And what is the mid-axillary? Just like right lung, the 8th rib. And what about the paravertebral? Just like right lung. So you're telling that it is just like right lung. Yes, right lung, left lung are similar except one thing only. So 6, 8, 10, what it was for right lung is valid for left lung also. Yes, it is. There's only one difference, and I told you the difference between right and left lung is right lung leaving the sternum at 6th rib, but the left lung leaves the sternum at the 4th rib. That's the only difference in the marking. Okay, if you say so. Beyond that, right lung, left lung has same inferior boundary? Yes. What is the answer to this question? It is asking pleural reflection in the mid-axillary line. Your obvious question now will be right or left pleura. But it does not matter if it is pleura. Right and left pleura are having same marking, so it doesn't matter. Maybe there is right pleura or left pleura. Pleura does not differ. Oh, pleura does not differ. So it is mid-axillary. Yes, let me recount. I remember that both the pleura leave the sternum 6th rib. Yes. Mid-clavicular 8th rib. Yes. Mid-axillary 10th rib. Paravertebral 12th rib. Yes, that is pleura for both the side. Tell me the answer. I think mid-axillary 10th rib. Yes, maybe right or left pleura. That is your answer. Now, if it is the 10th rib, fine. Maybe right pleura, left pleura. What if I change the question, ask you lung? Which lung? Doesn't matter. Any lung. In the mid-axillary line, it is same. So mid-axillary line, both the lungs are at the same level. Yes. The difference is only when they leave the sternum. So right lung, left lung doesn't matter. Tell me the answer. You're asking me lung now. Yes. So -2, -2, -2. Yeah. Tell me what is the answer. Maybe right lung, left lung, mid-axillary line. Maybe right lung, left lung, mid-axillary line. Yes. -2. Yes. Tell me the answer. I think this is for pleura. It must be -2 for lung. Correct. Maybe right lung or maybe left lung. If they ask you mid-axillary line, then you will say -2 or 8th rib. But this question was on pleura. And because it was on pleura, you keep your answer as 10th rib. Maybe right or left pleura.